Hello everyone, happy morning to all. Welcome to Infinite Knowledge YouTube channel. This is Saravanan. I start with famous Sai Baba quote. Grace of God is like insurance. It will help you in the time of need without any limits. I am going to explain what is accounting very practically. See, accounting is very simple. Usually in a company, lots and lots of financial transactions happening on daily basis. Lots of financial data being generated. So many transactions are happening, so many bills, receipts and vouchers are creating. So in accounting, what we will do is, as an accountant, we must record the data properly. That year financial data. Not only recording the data, classifying the data into structured format. Finally, summarizing the financial data into meaningful format. Again, I repeat. First, recording the data properly. Second, classifying the data properly. Finally, summarizing the financial data into meaningful format. Meaningful format is in the form of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Profit and loss account will gives you financial performance of company. Balance sheet will gives you financial position of company. I hope you understand what is accounting very practically. I end this video with accounting definition. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character in a significant manner and in terms of money and interpreting the results thereof. See you next video. This is Saravanan signing off from Infinite Knowledge YouTube channel.